You may ask, what are the benefits of honey to a woman? Well, you will be amazed to know. Due to its minerals, vitamins, phytoncides, amino acids, antioxidants, and enzymes, it brings amazing benefits to the body. Women use honey not only in cooking but also in cosmetology, which allows them to remain attractive and healthy as long as possible. There are several varieties of honey, each of which brings certain benefits to the female body. Flower or May honey has an anti-inflammatory effect that helps to get rid of gynecological diseases and insomnia. Buckwheat honey contains a lot of iron that is useful for anemia. It strengthens the heart muscles and prevents the development of cardiovascular diseases. Linden honey is useful for cold, cough and sore throat and really beneficial for the respiratory system. Acacia honey has a high level of vitamin A, so women who want to maintain good eyesight are advised to consume it regularly. Such honey is especially useful for those women who spend most of their working day at the computer. Fire with honey makes your voice become clearer and louder, and your body gets lots of minerals and vitamins as well. So it's a good for profession like news presenter or voice artist. Peppermint honey helps to get rid of headache, insomnia and irritability. So if you like this video, please stay tuned with Health App by pressing the subscribe button with the notification bell. See you in the next video. Till then, be healthy, be happy always.